How's it going, guys? In this clip right here, we're gonna see if we can make a play on this first edition PSA 9 Dark Dragonite Holo. At the end of the video, I'll go ahead and post up the current market prices at the time of this video has been posted.
Okay.
Yeah, I was looking there. The last one was 750, but there's others like around 850. Yeah.
I once upon a time had a swirl of an 8 and a 7 and a 9, and I was like, I do the full one and hit swirl.
280 out of 300.
Right. It's a lot, yeah.
So I gave up on that train. Chasing Naruto.
Yeah, that's dope. That's dope. It's probably much easier.
What you looking at, bro?
I've been ripping it myself because I'm trying to get the serialized.
A 9? That was cool. Right in the hand. Fireball. Fireball.
Yeah, man. So these are the base. $9.99.
What going for? What does that say? 1,000 or 6,000?
1,000.
So the serialized.
God damn, bro. 800? 900 maybe? 850? But the swirl tax, bro.
I didn't even see that, but I kind of want it. 6 first edition.
That is sick.
But the thing is, bro,
Is it trending upwards or not?
it's slow.
Pretty stacked.
Slow, bro.
Stacked.
It's going up. It's like 600.
Wait, there's not that many, bro. It's a sick card.
Slow. It's just stagnant.
That's not 5. Yeah, so series 1 is still, I can't find it.
I'll just throw an offer out. I'll pay whatever the average is, so it's like 800. I don't know if that works with you. I know there's swirl tax on there, yeah, so I get it. 800 cash.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're right. Swirl tax is tough.
I know, I get it, yeah.
I had one guy that was down to pay, but he was the guy that bought my 7 and 8. But he didn't need the 9.
Damn.
I'm kind of giving up on it, so
Yeah.
800 is your cash offer?
Yep.
I would like 850, but 8 just played third. Mm-hmm. 825?
I have to be at 8, yeah, because it's so stagnant on the chart.
What's your name, bro?
Will.
I think this is
Yeah.
I can do 800 for you.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. 800. Appreciate it. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Honestly, it's on those on the right. They have the stained glass version, but the one on the right, SEs, those are the hits. And these are the hits of the these are like the percentages. And then there's a serialized promo that people are chasing.
Yeah.
So it's just